open the bag.
Okay, here we have your standard Angie's popcorn, Angie's kettle popcorn, and your standard issue procedure for opening a bag of popcorn is impossible for this particular bag. See, I'm going to go ahead and put as much torque as I can into this puppy, and it's impossible to open. Okay, ready? Good. Ow! The release fucking hurts because you got your muscles sitting there tensed, and then right away just a flow of like no tensity just comes, and it's just like pow, and it's like shit. This fucking thing doesn't open. It's freaking impossible. God. I don't know how they do it, but this fucking bag. It's an indestructible bag of. Oh! Nice.
You loosened it for me.
God, we all had a hand at this
Oh my
shit.
God. Ow.
It's that good. Angie's kettle corn is that good. It was worth